Kyle and who else is this? Remy. You need to have connecting words. Well, how is a stirring rod? What is maybe it's an example, right? Of lab equipment that's involved in this.
How you're teaching? Because she like couldn't get off the
Stuff.
No. I can't do my bag. I didn't eat for like 10, so I was something. So I had to do my bag for 2 hours and I can't, so.
Okay, you guys are putting up good stuff. The only thing is I want you to try to do a better job of connecting them together. We're not just drawing little lines with words coming off of it. That's a brainstorm, okay? That's a brainstorm or a cluster. We're making a concept map. So we have to show directly how these terms are related to each other. So when you're doing your heating of the lab equipment, I want you to, this is good, you put connecting words, but flint striker, hot plate, Bunsen burner, should they all be like on the same level? Are they all doing the same thing?
Bunsen burner.
Yeah, flint striker is specific to Bunsen burner, so let's put that together with that. Yeah. So this is good because this one actually is just heating, whereas Bunsen burners burn. They actually, it's a flame, but they can also heat. So maybe you want to say that as well. So we could put.
I'll write it.
Go ahead.
What does it say
Yeah.
on your line?
So maybe do a line for heats for both of them.
Bless you.
Yeah, and then split it.
Split it.
Put heats.
Okay. Burn.
That's yours. And heats, right? Say it again. Yeah, so what does it do for solids? What does it measure? The weight or what's the word? Mass. Good. What's another thing that you can use to measure fluids besides graduated cylinders? Say it again, DeAndre. Beakers, good. What did you say, Tully?
Oh, could you do like thermometer, but would that be like temperature?
Yeah, exactly. So you could put fluids measure. This measures what part of the fluid does the graduated cylinder measure? Volume. And then thermometer would measure the temperature. So let's do that. This measures. What's that, Remy?
Oh, don't.
What's a what? Oh, the H got erased. Graduated cylinder and beaker. And then Tully, why don't you come at thermometer? So this burns and heats, this just heats. And then, Amelia, could you put flint striker underneath Bunsen burner for me? Since it's specific to just the Bunsen burner.
Hey, that wasn't me.
Oh, good. I know. Remy's a class clown today. Erasing letters.
I wasn't even up.
Where's your paper? Did you leave it up at the front?
Oh yeah, actually I think this. I was about to put it on time ago.
Okay, this is very, very good. I like it. So good. Safety protects eyes, protects feet. What does the lab coat protect?
Body.
your body, your threads. Protects your body. Holds liquids. Ring stand, what does that hold? Just says holds. What have you used the ring stand to hold before? You can do a lot of different things. What did you say, Amelia? Yeah, I can hold a test tube. You can use it for a variety of things. So it can hold other equipment. Flint striker, Amelia. Oh, this one is what I was talking about, Amelia. Can you put this under Bunsen burner? Fluids, graduated fluid, beaker. Good, awesome. I'm going to add a new one. We're going to learn today, I'm sorry, not today, on Monday, I'm going to show you how to make solutions. And then another type of instrument that's going to measure volume is called a volumetric flask. Oh, but we've used flasks before, right?
Yeah, we definitely have.
Yeah, so let's just put flask, and then we can put actual types of flasks.
Oh.
Tanner, what's one type of flask?
Erlenmeyer.
Thank you, Sophia. Erlenmeyer.
I was gonna say beaker. It's not a flask.
And then the one you're going to learn on Monday is volumetric.
Never heard of that.
Good. I know. You'll learn it on Monday. Solids measure balance measures the mass of a solid. Mixing. Good. Excellent job. Okay. Now you're going to use this concept of concept mapping to organize all of the terms that we've learned this week for our solutions. So I have the terms for you. There are two ways that you can go about doing this. Number one, you can take your paper, and I have scissors up here. You can cut out the words and use that to rearrange them, group them, decide how you want to do your concept map that way. That's if you're a tactile learner, you like to have something tangible to move around and touch. If you don't want to do that, and you just want to make your concept map the way that we've just did it right now, that's fine. You can do it that way as well. But you need to use all of these words, and you may add additional words from your notes. Okay? So that's why you have your note packet on your desk. You need to be going through your note packet to find additional words that you would like. Yes?
All those need to go on one map?
Yes, all of these need to go on one
You
map.
have like a huge size paper?
No, you just use your paper. But look how many words we've already gotten on that you
Oh,
have
I
on
think
your
they're
paper.
all in the first line.
Oh, no. These are your big ideas, your more general concept, or your more specific. So flip your paper over. I suggest you do it horizontally. It'll give you maximum area to do your words. It'll allow you to make lots of different branches.
So what's the general?
You can come up with whatever you like. Solutions maybe solubility. Okay, questions about what you're supposed to be doing? Is everybody's concept map going to be exactly the same?
Definitely.
Probably.
No. Do you all think exactly the same?
Sometimes.
Yeah,
Really? Exactly?
Me and Tanner do.
Remy, you're special. I don't know if
We actually
anyone
do.
thinks exactly
No,
like you.
me and him think exactly.
I don't know about that. So, you're going to have different concept maps. There is no 100% right answer. Now, would it make sense for me to put a stirring rod under holding things?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's a certain degree of accuracy that you need to have. Yeah? All right. So your partners, you'll work together, but you each need to have your own paper.
Why?
Okay, and you're going to be turning this in to me on
Why can't we just have a
Monday.
group paper?
What, Kyle?
Why can't we just have a group paper?
Because you have a quiz on Monday, and I want you to take it home and study it. So you each need your own.
So
All right?
if I don't need to study, can we just make one?
Kyle, enough.
Okay.
All right, any questions?
No.
All right, you may begin when you get your paper.
First off,
Tanner, can you pull something?
I thought she was cool on the videotape. That's a woman.
You can stop.
Oh, stop? Mm-hmm.